Bathroom Remodel Quality Control Guide for Homeowners. A bathroom remodel normally goes through 13 stages. You should inspect the work after each stage before the contractor moves to the next step. Stages: 1. Planning and contract. 2. Demolition. 3. Framing and subfloor. 4. Plumbing and electrical rough-in. 5. Waterproofing. 6. Tile installation. 7. Fixtures and cabinets. 8. Final finishing and inspection. 9. Vanity and cabinet installation. 10. Toilet installation. 11. Painting quality. 12. Final functional testing. 13. Final walkthrough checklist. 1. Planning and contract stage. This stage determines the quality of the entire project. What you must have written a professional contract should include: example, vanity, 36-inch solid wood vanity with quartz top. Faucet, Moen brush nickel single handle. Toilet, American standard 1.28 gallons per flush. Shower tile, 12 by 24 porcelain tile. Floor tile, hexagon ceramic tile. Paint, Sherwin-Williams Super Paint Interior, semi-gloss. Why this matters? If materials are not specified, contractors may install cheap materials. Example problem: contract says install vanity. Contractor installs cheap particle board vanity from discount store. Better contract wording: install 36-inch solid wood vanity with soft close drawers and quartz countertop. 2. Demolition stage inspection. This happens when the old bathroom is removed. What you should check: example 1, subfloor condition. Good, solid plywood, no rot, no soft areas. Bad, dark mold spots, soft wood when you press it, water damage around toilet. Example situation: if the toilet leaked for years, the wood may look like this. Bad example: crumbling wood around toilet flange. Correct fix: remove damaged subfloor, replace with new 3/4-inch plywood. Example 2, wall studs. Good work, straight wood studs, no mold, no termite damage. Bad work, rotten studs left in wall, mold not removed. 3. Framing and subfloor stage. Before plumbing and drywall are installed, what to check: floor level. Place a 4-foot level on the floor. Good result: level or very small slope. Bad result: floor dips or slopes noticeably. Why it matters: if the floor is uneven, tile will crack, toilet may rock. 4. Plumbing rough-in inspection. This is one of the most important inspections. The walls are still open. Example: shower valve installation. Good installation: valve mounted solidly to wood block, centered correctly, level. Bad installation: valve hanging loose, crooked, too deep in wall. Problem this causes: when trim plate is installed later, it won't fit. Example: drain pipe slope. Pipes must slope so water drains properly. Correct slope: 1/4 inch drop per foot. Example: if pipe runs 4 feet, slope should be 1 inch total drop. Bad example: pipe installed, flat leads to water sits, leads to clogs. Example: water supply lines. Good work, pipes secured with clamps. Straight lines, shut-off valves accessible. Bad work, pipes loose inside wall, pipes rubbing on studs. This can cause water hammer noise later. 5. Electrical rough-in inspection. Bathrooms require special safety rules. Example: GFCI outlet. Good installation: GFCI outlet near sink. Test and reset buttons visible. Bad installation: regular outlet installed near water. This is a safety violation. Number 6. Waterproofing inspection, most critical stage. Many bathroom failures happen because waterproofing is done wrong. Example: shower wall system. Correct method: 1. Cement board installed. 2. Waterproof membrane applied. 3. Corners sealed. 4. Screw holes sealed. Example waterproof materials: Redguard, Schluter-Kerdi Hydroban. Example: shower pan slope. Before tile goes in. Good. Water flows toward drain. Bad. Water sits in corners. Test method: pour a cup of water on the shower floor. If water stays, then slope problem. 7. Tile installation inspection. Tile quality is easy to see. Example: tile alignment, good tile work, straight grout lines, consistent spacing, clean edges, bad tile work, crooked tiles, uneven spacing, sloppy grout. Example: tile lippage. Lippage means tile edges sticking up. Test: run your hand across tiles. Good, smooth surface. Bad, edges sticking up. Industry standard tolerance, about 1/16 inch difference. 8. Grout and caulking inspection. Good grout, smooth, even color, fully filled joints. Bad grout, holes, cracking, uneven color. Corners should use silicone caulk, not grout. Example: inside shower corners must be flexible. 9. Vanity and cabinet installation. Example: vanity level, place level on countertop. Good, perfectly level. Bad, counter sloping. Problem this causes: water runs to one side of sink. Example: sink seal. Good, silicone seal around sink edges. Bad, no seal leads to water leaks under sink. 10. Toilet installation. Check 2 things. 1. Toilet stability. Sit on toilet. Good, solid. Bad, rocking side to side. 2. Wax ring seal. Run water. Check around toilet base. Good, no water. Bad, water leaking. 11. Painting quality. Bathroom paint must resist moisture. Example: good paint. Sherwin-Williams Super Paint Interior. Check, good paint job. Smooth finish. No roller streaks. Sharp edges. Bad paint job. Drips. Uneven coverage. Paint on fixtures. 12. Final functional testing before paying final payment. Run everything. Shower test. Run water 15 minutes. Check. Leaks, proper drainage. Sink test. Fill sink full. Drain it. Check pipes under sink. No leaks should appear. Fan test. Turn fan on. Hold tissue paper. Good fan. Paper sticks to vent. Bad fan. No suction. 13. Final walkthrough checklist. Look for loose tiles, cracked grout, scratched fixtures, doors aligned, drawers open smoothly, light switches working. Smart homeowner tip: take photos of the walls before drywall. Example: picture showing pipes, wires, studs. This helps later if you install shelves, drill holes, fix plumbing. One simple rule professionals follow: good contractors welcome inspection. If a contractor doesn't want you to look at the work, that is a warning sign. If you're thinking about a bathroom remodeling or planning a home addition, make sure you plan carefully, avoid common mistakes, and work with an experienced team you can trust. At DC Home Addition and Home Remodeling, we specialize in high-quality home conversions and additions right here in Arlington, Virginia. Call us at 703-980-3266 or visit www.dc-homeremodeling.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more remodeling projects and tips.